yen started dwumadi no emfa ema as usual Fiifi Manfred Kofi Mayaska and Ashase Eddie Kofi good morning.
Good morning.
Pajo na what to say?
I'm here.
I see.
Oka wo as usual. Na in say nka bo Kofi Mayaska story. Kambeka se mi a chose zia waya ma ene me ko tina wo say nko hwe list bi mu. Tina hwe list be 10 times on who me o. So official name need different from you know. To achieve it's a me yes America just I hope they need Fiifi and Kofi Mayaska now. Because idea we chill list the mama dey achieve.
So na not to a game ni be.
Oh na so full very much. AC Milan ne Torino bomber achieve good den 3-2 Christian Pulisic shebo also a very say boy.
I thought now say a game na day.
Me.
Video ban no.
Man can show say the me say share yan chance wakasa. Argentina we say.
Eba Champions League ni man we. Eba team so.
Me da. Manchester United. Me mama 6 years me Champions League ni bi.
The rejuvenated Messi Mount.
Say brofo.
Revamp Messi Mount.
Say
Yaya kwani yo.
Why?
I'm telling you, if you just see bano. You must so rough. Messi Mount.
And I thought it's 70+ million.
Sentina make sure say obey high ye.
That ultimate players 70 million as I do years Roboka.
That in Guamu there. The least said about him the better.
Okay, that's it. Say how.
And no me to us ma tweet be from Ronaldinho himself. I say I'm mad no who so piada.
You the Champions League come. Remember say time we dey
men say time.
We dey you the Champions League come out say Ahmad the player. Champions League we be more. Manchester United will not qualify this season. You will qualify next season. You will qualify 2 seasons. You will qualify 3 seasons. Now the team will not the fifth. You've not qualified.
Okay. And your number points difference.
And when you fan cancel, what can do? What you decide on what you talk.
Mati.
You see, I'm your size in Chelsea. You be out the fifth. Only 4th in the casa.
You team.
What you consider? Consider the team without the team.
Okay.
Today is the Champions League and sadly, we made the last Champions League week for the year.
Okay.
So you ever come back to Champions League, we will be back in February 2026. And we'll see the number of matches and the teams number and how our Champions League, natural reaction. Champions League, yeah.
I'm check you.
I was my message in Botobo. Sadly, I bet for Rose. I say natural reaction. Yeah, I should be Boto. If you should describe my mate, you was a Bonini man. There's nobody do. But the natural reaction is once a while, come Boto. My dream bomb was I'll take it out. The Champions League is going to go, and it's going to be the last one for the year. Okay. And among these 2 games, no. And very, very important. So that me qualify, so that me I qualify through the automatic playoffs, automatic slots, and I say playoffs. All of them. It is very, very important for you to get your win and any other games here, Babylon. Now, it's going to the Champions League. Arsenal pen are qualified assistants now. Arsenal automatically are through. But apart from Arsenal, no, team B mathematically will qualify. Team B also mathematically referee. So it means that there are opportunities for everybody. Now, we share the conversation of the games at El Coso and then the Champions League. The game starts today at 4:30 European time. I think in Ghana it's somewhere around 3:30. Where Kairat Almaty or Kazakhstan, Everton Fiat Olympiacos. There's going to be Bayern Munich versus Sporting CP. Atalanta, any Chelsea Bebo. Barcelona and of course Frankfurt will play. Inter Milan and Liverpool, Monaco and Galatasaray, PSG and Atletico de Madrid, Tottenham Hotspur and Slavia Prague, the Union Saint-Gilloise, who are leading the Belgian Jupiler League, and so Rich, so what's your table now? Like I told you, Arsenal are through, but they are not playing today. Paris Saint-Germain are not playing today. Bayern Munich saw 12 points. And they only with 3 points now. They assume the minimum minimum number of points to qualify to the top 8. They'll be able to get it. Inter also has an opportunity with respect to that. And then your bet you're saying will be based on a risk reward. Team not all the ball. Gain or based on so qualify and also team qualify and over top 24. That is exactly what we'll be doing with respect to your bet code no Hodom. Dortmund 10 points, Chelsea 10 points, Sporting CP 10, Man City 10, Atalanta 10, Newcastle 9, Atleti 9, Liverpool 9, Galatasaray 8, PSG 8, Tottenham Hotspur, Leverkusen and Barcelona 7 points each. And then if we go straight to the games that are going to go now, I want us to start from the Bayern Bay Arena, which from the Allianz Arena. We think really straightforward. Bayern are staying at home. They are playing against Sporting CP. Bayern at home here, almost a near perfect team.
They are too hot.
Yeah, the attack is good.
So Sporting CP beating me. Sporting
CP coming there, it's coming. And of course, Sporting CP is so major injury. Giovanni Coende.
Okay.
So he's not going to be with the team. Whilst Bayern are on a very, very good run of form power over the Vincent Kompany the last time out against Arsenal. They know that this is the game. So they will be the maximum 3 points and get 15 points to give them a chance at qualifying to the top 8 in El Hodom. These are the possible lineup they were expecting. You said Shorum, Manuel Neuer, Ta, Upamecano, Konrad Laimer, Stanisic, Pavlovic, Kimmich, Kral, Olise, Abentefene said Gnabry, and of course Harry Kane, Ebelidi Lines no one. Whilst on the side of Sporting CP, Fresneda, Usman Diamonde, Gonzalo Inacio, Araujo, Casma Jolmont, Simons, Giovanni Coenda is on this list by game. Yannitia from Portugal, Trincao, Gonzalez, and Abentefene Suarez will lead the line. I think that this game is a simple either team to win on over 1.5 or Bayern to win on over 1.5 or probably even a Bayern to win on over 2.5 possibly else I give no harm. Which Enzo Maresca in the mountain have flown to Bergamo. Now yesterday I liked the pre-match press conference of Maresca. Who's a Maresca ne youthful football no more AC Milan. So that is a place that he comes from. And one of the main questions that journalists did this and say, what does he miss as an Italian or to London? That's a jacket, and he was trying to describe it in a sense. I say Ghana ni ebia what to cook for so. What's Nico Ghana restaurant?
Oko China.
China. What do you want Africa grandpa?
Okay.
What's Nico could be ebia Ivory Coast fufu. But any Ghana fufu ni aben kwanya na katin kwanya na katikuntu na light soup. You won't get it like that. It was on your time, but on your timer, he tries to cook his meals because he doesn't get the same number of foods. I mean, the quality, when he goes away to go and play there. And now, Chelsea knew on a list of players on the travel called Bergamo. There were two key omission and an inclusion. One, Abentefene Moses Kai said we're back in the team. Who's on a record here for the English Premier League, for the Champions League, he's eligible to play. Whilst Enzo Maresca say Cole Palmer should rest on Vanenko Bergamo. So there is going to be a list of Abentefene Cole Palmer who is out of it. Liam Delap say out of it. But the good news, and it's Enzo Maresca say Abentefene Liam Delap may show that any against a very long-term injury, say fracture behind him. And it means that Liam Delap will come earlier than expected in how Chelsea want to play.
No, they are not the catchers.
Oh, I think in terms of outlets, that is what he gives to the team. And this is a picture of Atalanta for coach Rafael Palladino. I've said it before. Say, who will be up at Italian football? You probably know the job of Palladino. Before the Thiago Motta's and the likes, Palladino has been there. One of the best young brains of Italian Serie A, and now he has taken over the job of Atalanta. In the pre-match press conference, Enzo Maresca said this. Say, the same thing and now Abentefene Gianpiero Gasperini, Papa Gianpiero Gasperini, and Atalanta. No, Palladino is doing the same. It is a man-for-man press across the field of play. And then Enzo Maresca Kayako sees Atalanta for no say, okay, say, man-for-man press. I say, oh, call Yaneso Krobeduchi. Because that is how strict their man-for-man press is. But again, I think that in this team, you're much more direct without the ball. Only you're more direct in the play in between the third to hurt the team. Enzo Maresca said some very interesting things. I think the big part of the game is going to be how Chelsea will manage the game. How Chelsea will manage it with Atalanta for personal. Oh, the way Barcelona for ball, Chelsea born against Barcelona. No? That is how Atalanta will play against Chelsea. Atalanta will play the game with much more intensity, much more physicality, and a lot of dwelling ability. So you win a lot of duels, you're physical, you're taking possession over. It's something Atalanta will do, they will do well. If Chelsea can manage the intensity, I think that is going to be a very good one for them. This is 100% correct. I think saying then you may a bench friend Joshua Kofi a champion will start. However, I don't think that he starts Trevor Chalobah. I have a feeling that he will start a much more natural left-footed centre back in a branch in front of Benoit Badiashile or Chorum. Caicedo will be back into the midfield with Andre Santos.
Obo a champion anybody Achio.
Obo against Liverpool, no share. Obo Malo Gusto.
No, there's an away game.
But it doesn't matter. Atlanta are not stronger than Liverpool. Esteban Willian, Gwana Notice, Rob Pedro, and Jimmy Bine Gittins, El Hodom. I think say that is the start line I should go into. So Obo Chalobah so agrees. Against a team that press you man for man, you don't want to play somebody who's right-footed and with the left-hand side. You incapacitate him in terms of build-up. But again, it comes down to the manager. Atalanta are most likely to come in with Jim City at the back with Hen, many of Brantia friend Jean-Lucas Kamaka leading the lines. I mean, expect this Brantia, your friend Skamadin Suleiman Ayayunia will get a part to play in this game. Which, who put the best bet part for this game? It's either over 1.5. It is Chelsea to score 1 goal at least, and then of course Chelsea to win 2-0 is a no, or either team to win over 1.5. Mama, all the permutations are.
Which number Boku via champion? Anybody actually?
Okay, be against Liverpool. Me person can cry no more. I'm born on Boshel. Maybe okay.
Me say we away game.
Say Atlanta are not stronger than Liverpool, whether away or home.
Me grandma answer me home.
Ah, how because how will be a good.
Yes, sir. Say Shama. What you know between them?
Oh, don't worry about it.
Press your neck.
Which who will be pressing neck? Who will be another pressing neck?
I'm Javu.
Any of you don't why you are leaguing. Any match. Now say who's our baby? Who's the match?
But your teams in there.
Qualify Obo Champions League no akasha. And then the we din kra. Me no go man can come do wa ma can do no. Senior. Do wa ma kra.
Mami need music.
Champions League returns to the new Spotify Camp Nou.
Okay.
Barca be chain Eintracht Frankfurt. Now,
I'm first time on the Champions League.
At the new Spotify Camp Nou, yeah. And the good thing is that match already goes there. Frankfurt na team are considering the most goals of German Bundesliga team. Barcelona na team are watching the most goals of Spanish La Liga team. They score a lot of goals. Frankfurt concede a lot of high quality chances. It happens every time. The problem however is that Rich, in 3 of all of Barca's last Champions League games, we win Bakukra. We're losing to Paris Saint-Germain. We're about to draw to Club Brugge. And we're losing to Chelsea. So in the Spanish La Liga, Barca are near perfect. But when it comes to the Champions League, they are struggling. Eintracht Frankfurt won and they know that so many any chance. This is a game that they should try and upset Barcelona for. But Barca are going to play the game at the new Spotify Camp Nou for the very first time. So it makes it somehow. It's only in the same game at Barca. Any team my friend Real Betis Eboro, Rafinha a bench friend Lamine Yamal hasn't afflict arm from the wing. He was played as a number 10. I'm asking myself, is this another game where Hansi Affleck plays Lamine Yamal as a 10? Or he still keeps a bench friend Rafinha because Rafinha returned from injury. Last weekend game of Resene Kaka, Lewandowski, Lopez, Pedri, Eric Garcia, Kubasi, Gerardo Martin, Balde, and our bench friend Jules Koundé. Gerardo Martin is fitting in very well. And again, it's the importance of playing natural-footed players in their right position. You can see he's very comfortable. Which this is a game I expect Barca to win in over 2.5, Barca to win in over 3.5. I mean, there should be goals at least, and over 2.5 it should be good. Else how much? I don't expect Barca to lose. So Barca lose, right? It's a huge upset. Else how much in him? Christian Kiv within the Inter will wait for Liverpool. Now, Liverpool are in. I don't think they're a crisis. But then any smooth sailing, sir. Nyama Sheda too normal at Liverpool Football Club. But for Inter, they won this weekend against Como, and then they want to back it up. And watch it, watch the teams are no more 10 points and above Inter account. And again, if I get a chance like this, I will always sing the praise of Christian Kivu because personally, I didn't give him a dog chance. And for me, That is the most important thing. When I'm wrong about certain people, I want to quickly accept and give them the credit that they deserve. I think Christian Kivu has pleasantly surprised me with the Jumano Oyo Inter Milan, and he has been very good. They are waiting for Liverpool, and it's still the same old players who Inter, Acerbi, Lautaro, Martinez, who are still getting the job done. The same three back, but much more direct, more transitional in their channels. No, using Bonimo and your brand here, your friend Thuram to hold that play and then bring other players in. And now, in an interest, Mohamed Salah did not travel. And I pay Mohamed Salah could post this picture or gym at Liverpool training center. Now, and now, I think Alisson brought finality to the whole matter.
What's it?
Oh, Rich, Alisson's only Mohamed Salah. He backed his manager. I say Salah is not being available is a consequence of what he did. He is smart enough to know that we have a good relationship for a long time. He is a legend for Liverpool. We have a conversation, but it's going to be private because it's personal. Alisson goes on to say, oh no, Alisson, he has a good relationship.
Mohamed Salah.
Yeah.
An issue ne. Baby, you can't some public now. No problem.
Of course.
Apart from that, me feel say Liverpool any coach ni na na fair to Mohamed Salah. Sa excuse no man no dey perform and no be call AFCON. Me. Emu ye do mame. It's too light. Mohamed Salah the first one they call AFCON.
Debbie.
Yeah, who know AFCON? A man of both games. Time you do anoko.
But this is the first time Mohamed Salah dipped form for this.
That's it. And you see, we question Obebusa and say Liverpool team no. And Mohamed Salah nkwana dey perform. Enter team.
Debbie.
And the Argentina so no nkwana. As Obiana and Mohamed Salah. Na Mohamed Salah.
But who?
And no one can Konate there.
But who replaces?
Yes,
but who replaces? But who replaces Konate? Who do Konate when I replace him?
And so
long say, oh, Rich, what you can say?
No, meba. Let's say, Ebia Konate any replacement. But what I'm saying is that Sam Adeni look like a womb Mohamed Salah and Liverpool.
There is never a point where the manager said a Mohamed Salah.
Indirectly, that is
no, Rich, Debbie. It's not indirectly. From where I stand, you can't replace Virgil van Dijk. What's his name? Giovanni Leone. Young centre back from 23 Italy this summer. Oba Roberti ACL. It's Onyo. Abante friend Joe Gomez right back. And a Konate. So who again? Liverpool centre back.
Me patcho we dey ma musa we na minim say time it na yen komo kitu.
Yeah.
It is a Liverpool game. Na Konate. And Van Dijk komu pra yen replacement bi amomobo.
Omu pra dem there to play Ryan Gravenberch as a centre back. No money Wataro end up DM.
Okay.
So Liverpool, what I'm trying to say is that Liverpool are short in that area.
But when it comes to
we need problem.
Baby, I'm need problem. Public no buy.
Okay, we need problem. What can we? So let me also explain mine.
Okay.
I think that only a true. You see, which I hear about question me Etias and say no crime you need to answer dying back home.
Okay.
Yeah, Mohamed Salah here, but no question like I say anything. But it's also true that me, I don't know what's going on behind the scenes at Liverpool. Me, A1 Obi. Me, your Macacheno. So if he says that he feel betrayed, I can't say that I can't believe it on the feeling.
Okay.
But for me, my biggest issue is that the quality of player Mohamed Salah is. If coaches say for these 3 games, only so many person tweaking your kaka. Oh, you don't stand outside to say that. For somebody who is a legend, who is a big person, I think he has not been fair to Liverpool. I bet your friend Jamie Carragher. I mean, I'm coach. So Jamie Carragher spoke extensively about it. He said something I don't agree. A lot of it over there about Mohamed Salah or belittle the quality of Mohamed Salah, saying he was just a boy who had failed at Chelsea. I don't agree with that. But there are also parts that Jamie Carragher speaks about that was true. Which match you Italy, the issues have made it even more difficult. I think say an Inter Milan double chance looks more likely. Tottenham Hotspur against Slavia Prague. Yesterday I was so impressed with Mohamed Kudus. Journalists won't try some better trick and they say, oh, Ghana or England group more. Now I'm sure it's me so don't worry, there's a lot of time. Obia preparation do games. It's rich. I think those are the games, but my main mouth and it's no for conflict and go and win. You know how we do it over here. Say
so be a kebi.
No. Me person afidi ebe bana female who na
moment free
we both you do this and I think of send DM. Just take your screenshots, screen record, take a pen or paper. na fa ko shima o betwe na twana bibia enye kama power rich first game no create amount in Olympiacos game man fan can because it's a tricky game. I hate tricky matches. It's usually going to start very late. First one BW27B04C26 and the first one. The second one BW27B03FA1. Third one BW27B05AA3. Fourth one BW27B0BDBB. And the last one BW27B02608. H Erade Ento Greens Enguzuma.
Good luck to Bia and Ubetcha code no and so AB